Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you the exact technique to create an infinite scrolling carousel. Like this and this. Let's jump in! The HTML is dead simple, 3 divs, the carousel container and carousel track div and carousel items. Now the CSS. Alright, here's the main code that makes the infinite animation work. Display, flex, lines up all items horizontally in a row. Animation. Scroll 30 seconds linear infinite. This runs our scroll animation for 30 seconds, at constant speed, forever. Width. Fit content. Makes the track exactly as wide as all items combined. Now the animation itself, we start at 0 and move it to the left by 50%. But hold on. If we animate this without duplicating our items, watch what happens. See that? It scrolls to the end, then jumps back to the start. That's the problem we're solving. The solution: duplicate all the carousel items. Now when we animate -50%, we're moving through the entire original set, but we land on the duplicate set at the end. And a nice bonus: pause on hover. Users can stop it by hovering. Simple. Wait, before you try this, I almost forgot the 2 most important things that will make this completely break if you skip them. You should add this overflow. Hidden creates the viewport window, only showing what should be visible. If you don't, you will see this. Number 2. Carousel item with flex shrink 0. That's all you need. The rest is just styling. Code is in the description. Subscribe for more focused tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.